This video goes over question 5 of the chain rule assignment. Find the derivative, and here we have a little bit of a change because we've got a square root. So I'm going to put the chain rule up. Y equals f at an inside function u, y prime equals f prime of u times u prime. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite my original function to make it easier to use the power rule. So I'm going to change that square root to fractional exponent notation. So 2x squared plus 3 to the 1/2 power. My inside function is a quadratic binomial here. U is 2x squared plus 3. U prime is 4x. So to do my whole derivative, I'm going to keep the constant multiple here, treat this parenthesis like it's a single variable, move the 1/2 in front, 2x squared plus 3, and now I need to subtract 1 from 1/2. That's going to give me negative 1/2. And then I need to multiply times the derivative of the inside function. So 4x. So half of 8 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to get 16x times parenthesis 2x squared plus 3 to the negative 1/2. That is a perfectly good answer, and that's what I'm going to put into the book. But this is a equally valid rewriting of this. 16x, I have a negative exponent, so I can make that negative on the exponent go away by moving the thing across the fraction bar and changing the sign on the exponent. So equally valid. And then this is what the calculator is going to come up with. The 1/2 power is the same thing as the square root. So this is going to be the square root of 2x squared plus 3. Since this is the one that I came up with first, I don't want to do any more messing with it, and I'm going to go ahead and put this into the book. So 16x, then parenthesis 2x squared plus 3, close the parenthesis, to the power of a fraction negative 1/2. Check that answer. Nice work. And now we'll do it in the calculator. I'm going to start a new problem, doc for 1 for problem, 2 for a graph, and put in 8 times the square root of 2x squared plus 3. We'll graph that. And I'm not worried about what it looks like or where it is. Shift minus to get a derivative. X is my variable. Tab to move through the template. F of x. And it said 16x over the square root of 2x squared plus 3. And I left off the x in my final answer here, but that is the calculator answer. We went with this one. The book should take all 3. And we did get it right. And that concludes this video.